Happy Memorial Day. We are on the countdown to our final videos for CIS 225, our final project. We are going into Chapter 9, User Productivity Tools. And here we're going to use the Printing Management Snap-in to install a new printer. We will use the Print Management Snap-in to install a local printer. The Print Management Snap-in is capable of managing local and remote printers and print servers. We begin with the Start orb. See how happy these guys are? We're almost through. And go into Control Panel. We'll be going into System and Security and Administrative Tools down here. In Administrative Tools, double-click Print Management. Right here, double-click. If necessary, in the left pane, expand Custom Filters, and ours is already expanded, and click All Printers. This filter displays all of the printers installed on every server that is being monitored. In this case, only the 3 local printers are displayed because only the local computer is being monitored. If you have installed additional printers or additional software such as Microsoft Office, then your number of printers will be greater than 3. And I do have, I believe this fax is actually from the previous exercise that we did, and then the Canon MP500 is my printer. So you can see it lists all of your printers. In the left pane, click All Drivers. This filter displays all of the print drivers that are installed on every print server that is being monitored. This allows you to see if different printer drive versions are installed on various print servers. In the left pane, if necessary, expand Print Servers, and yes, we need to expand it here. Expand your computer, this is my computer, and click Drivers. This node displays only the printer drivers that are installed on your computer. So I have 4 of them there. Gives you various information here. There we go. Click Forms. We're going to do that in the left pane. This node displays the forms that are configured on your computer. Forms are the paper sizes the printer is configured to use. You could add, edit, or delete forms by right-clicking on the Forms node and clicking Manage Forms. This is very interesting because you have a lot of different things that you're not used to seeing generally. Because I did printing in Germany, I know that the A4 is like a little bit skinnier than our 8.5 by 11 and a little bit taller than that, and that is a European. So any of these that are here with A's, those are European paper sizes, which are becoming more and more popular. And then you have envelopes. You can see we have envelopes there. Look at that, a double Japan postcard rotated. Here's a German legal fan fold. Although it's tempting to get rid of these things because you think that you're never going to use them, it's probably best to go ahead and just keep them. There's no reason to delete anything because you never know when you might possibly need to use it. So I suggest not editing anything out. If you need to add something in, you'll be able to do that. Now we're going to check out ports over here in the left pane. This node displays all the ports configured on your computer that can be used for printing. You can add additional ports or manage existing ports from here. We're going to just open that up and take a peek at it. Those are our different ports. And here's more actions if you needed to do something there. Back over on the left pane, we're going to hit Printers. This node displays all the printers that are installed in your computer, on your computer, which is the same thing that we saw up here. You can manage the printers from here and install more printers. So let's just see more actions here. we can add a printer. This is where we would go to add a printer if we have a new printer coming. Okay, in the left pane, we're going to hit Deployed Printers. Printers that have been deployed by using a group policy object are listed here. Okay, I currently do not have any of those. So, in the left pane, right-click Printers. So we're going to right-click Printers, and we're going to click Add a Printer. So this is how we do it. Click Add a new printer using an existing port. So we're going to click that. If necessary, click the LPT1, ours is already there, and click Next. After printer installation, this printer will generate an error when you attempt to print because there is no printer physically attached to your computer on LPT1. Click Use an existing printer driver on your computer, on the computer, right there. If necessary, click HP LaserJet 4200/4600 PCL6. Well, we don't even have that one on there. So we're just going to go ahead and stay with this one that we have. And click Next. In the printer name box, type local. Try that again. We seem to be at a standstill. There we go. All right. And in the printer name box, we're going to type local. Leave the option Share this printer checked. Type local in the name share box. And click Next. On the Printer Found screen, click Next. Okay, so here we have the error because that isn't working. So what you would do is go ahead and when they do the printer, when it was finished, the installation, you would click Finish, and you know that that would be down here in this area. Okay? In the left pane, click Printers. So we already know that because our installation failed, it won't be listed. But had this worked, we would go ahead and see that we had added the printer name of local onto this list of printers. Okay? You would then right-click local and click Pause Printing. Right-click local and click Print Test Page. We're going to just try this on this. Let's go ahead and use my printer that's working. So we're going to right-click and hit Pause Printing. And then we're going to right-click, so that's how you would pause it. Go ahead and right-click and hit Print Test Page. This would generate a test page. Let's see if that's coming up. Ooh, a test page has been sent to your printer. This test page briefly demonstrates the printer's ability to print graphics and text. It provides technical information about the printer. Use the printer troubleshooter if the test page does not print correctly. So there you go. That's how you would be able to go ahead and print a test page. We'll close that. Then we want to go to, in the left pane, click Printers with Jobs right here. Aha! And you can see that here listed is our printer that we wanted to do, and we paused it, so that's why it's not actually printing. but it shows us that there is a paused job there. Note that this screen now displays the printer because there is a job in the queue, and we went ahead and did that. So we got a little glitch there. I couldn't actually create that local printer, but using my printer, you can see how you can go in and work with the printing queue. I hope this wasn't too confusing. Remember, always go in, kind of play around, see and play and understand what all that these snap-ins can do for you. Thank you very much.